everything lit, all the girls in free. Everybody inside sipping on a good time. You ain't got a wrist, they can put it on me. When they wanna go, they don't want my money show. I don't ever get it one way, yeah. Spinner then I get it same day, but hey. I didn't come here to party. I didn't come here to stay. I came to leave with somebody. I only came to same day, but hey, I didn't come here to party. I didn't come here to stay. I came to leave with somebody. I only came to
Let's learn Cake. It's choreographed by Shane McKeever. It is a 32 count 2-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Cake. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal and hit your left knee up. You're now going to step your left foot into the left diagonal, hit your right knee up. Step your right foot to the right side about shoulder width apart. You're going to rotate your right knee in towards your left, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stepping into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to hop forward, right, left. You're going to bump your hip to the left and keep your weight on your left foot. You're now going to hop back, right, left, bump your hip to the left, and then keep your weight onto your left foot. What a lot of people like to do, and this kind of is a styling choice, you can hop forward, right, left, and you can either do your hands above your head or kind of like at your chest. And when you do it, you kind of are like rolling your hip a little bit, but mostly to the left. So you're like rolling it to the left. And then the same thing when you hop back, you're going to like roll your hips with your arm. But you want to make sure that you're coming back onto your left foot. From here, we're going to hop out, out, right, left. You're now going to bring both knees in, bending your knees so that your height has gone down. We're now going to bring our heels, toes, heels, slowly bringing our body back up, straightening our knees. So you're going to bring both heels in, both toes in and both heels in. And when you bring both heels in, your knees should be straight and your weight will be on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're hopping forward. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. We're going to step forward with our right, do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do 2 portafongos. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. Rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, slightly pushing your hip up, and then recover onto your right. You're now going to cross your left over your right. Rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, pushing your hip up, and recover onto your left. Now on those pivots, if you would like to, you can kind of like push your hip into them and make them a little bit extra if you would like. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do forward touches with back steps. So you're going to touch your right toe forward, step back with your right, touch your left toe forward. Step back with your left, touch your right toe forward. Step back with your right, touch your left toe forward. And when you do these touches, you want slightly bent knee. You're now going to hitch your left knee up. You're going to bring your left knee out to the side. You're now going to hitch and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to step your left next to your right. And that is the whole dance. Now, what people like to do for styling in that section is they bring their right hand up to like the back of their head at their ear, and their left hand goes to the inside of their knee. So when you hitch up, you're going to bring both hands up. And then you're going to take this left hand, you're going to push your left knee out to the side, and then you're going to make that quarter turn and step together, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your touch forward. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want to make sure that you're not making that quarter turn until you're doing that hitch forward so that you have some momentum. This put out to the side is supposed to help give you momentum to make that turn. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, stepping into the diagonal. It's step, hitch, side knee roll, quarter, left coaster, step, hop right, left, bump your hip, hop back, bump your hip. Now it's out, out, knees in. Now your heels, toes, heels. Step, quarter pivot, step, quarter pivot, portafongo, portafongo. Touch, step back, touch, step back, touch, step back, touch, hitch, bring it out, quarter, hitch, step together. Let's try it with some counts. This time I'm going to do some extra hand motions that you may want to add in. Weight is on your left, stepping into the diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, some styling that I like to do for that very first section, on my step hitches, I kind of like to drag my toe in as I do that hitch. So I kind of like to make it drag, hitch, drag, hitch. So I start that drag on my step. It kind of fills the space in between your 2 steps, and it allows you to have some extra styling. So now let's go around. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're going to do 4 walls so that you can practice how it flows. Weight is on your left, stepping into that diagonal. Let's step, hitch, side quarter, knee roll, left coaster, step, hop right, left, roll your hip, hop back, bump your hip, out, out, knees in, heels, toes, heels. Step, quarter pivot, portafongo, portafongo. Touch back, touch back, touch back, touch. Bring your knee up, out, quarter turn, step together, big step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, hitch, side quarter, knee roll, coaster, step, hop, forward, bump your hip, hop back, bump your hip, out, knees in, heels, toes, heels, quarter pivot, botafongo, touch, step, touch, knee up, out, quarter turn, together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn cake. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
You know when I come back, you know what it look like. Everything lit, all our girls in free. Everybody inside, sipping on a good time. You ain't got a wrist, they can put it on me. When they wanna go, they know all my money show. I don't ever get it one day, yeah. Spinner then I get it same day, but hey. I didn't come here to party. I didn't come here to stay. I came to leave with somebody. I only came to